Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Red Link CCTV.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So bali guys, ang order ko rito is CCTV guys na dual lens. So kailangan meron siyang fragile sticker para hindi siya babagsak guys.
Hindi totoo yan.
So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So to guys, tama to, naka-bubble wrap.
Hindi, wow.
Meron siyang free na 5 meters cord guys eh. Ito yung 5 meter power cord guys.
Pwede na!
So ito yung guys, yung CCTV camera guys, dual lens. So guys, si seller is legit guys, legit. Thank you for watching.